Seven Trumpets Prepper. Guys, in this video today, we are out here in the Most High Y'all's beautiful creation. Got a little waterfall going behind us today. I've been wanting to get outdoors to do Battlbox reviews. Now spring is coming back, and I'm just so tired of being indoors when we do these things. So, with that said, bright sunny day, we're going to tear into this. This is the box this month. Very nice. It's got plenty of gear in it, looks like. I'm going to open her up, step around. This is mission 48. There's the card. Alright, this is going to be self-reliance, hand tools, and more. That's what it's about this month. Lay her down here. So, let me do this. I'm going to set all the gear out as efficiently as I can, because I'm afraid the wind is going to carry stuff off if I don't. Alright. So the first thing we've got is a wax canvas axe sling quiver. That is a $24.99 value in the basic box, and I'm going to say that is probably this right here. There's the quiver. Put it over and strap it like so. Carry your axe. Here's the strap, and the wind is taking everything for a ride. I was a little concerned of that today, but it's all good. I rather be outdoors with you all than lay this under the axe. Alright, so next up we've got a coffee wick fire starter 3-pack. That is a $4.95 value. It's a fire starter pack. Alright, there you go. Light it up, set it under your fire material, and get going with it. Your kindling, etc. Right there. It's pretty cool. You can never have enough fire starting stuff. I'm telling you, one day when the stuff hits a fan, I don't care if you've got bucket after bucket of fire starting stuff, it's not going to be enough, guys. Just telling you. Think about that often anymore. That and water preps. Next up, we've got the wooden Kuksa cup. That's a $14.95 value. It says classic Kuksa cup, handcrafted wood cup. Let's check this out. Oh, dude, this is awesome. This is like some Lord of the Rings stuff right here. Check it out. Right there. You can put your ale in it. Have a Viking old good time right there. That's a very nice cup. It's beautiful. I love handcrafted stuff, especially living up in the Smoky Mountains. You know, I mean, this is the kind of stuff we see a lot of craftsmen and people make, and it's just really beautiful. Nicely done. Alright, and the last item for the basic box is a Urban Garden Heirloom Seeds by Patriot Seeds. Right there you go, guys. USDA organic. Alright. That's what we want right there. Don't want no GMO garbage. It says here it's got large red cherry tomatoes. Those things are awesome. Cayenne pepper. I don't do cayenne pepper, but for those that love it, it's in there. Golden wax beans. Progress number 9P. Little finger carrots. Evergreen bunching onions. Summer squash. Basil, cinnamon, garlic chives, Amish deer tongue lettuce, never heard of that top lettuce, bull's blood beets, and champion radish. And there you go. There's like a whole spring garden right there. Alright. That is a $14.95 value. Guys, I'm telling you, this is another thing people don't think about later down the road. Seeds. Seeds. Can't have enough of them. Just cannot have enough. That's awesome though. Check them out. Patriot Seeds, grown in the USA, 100% heirloom seeds. Boom. Battlbox nailed it yet again. Alright, next up, the advanced box. We've got Fremont Knives Farson Blade. That's a $39.99 value. Get that right there. Woo! Notice it says sharp, caution. This reminds me of, I can't think of that exact knife, but they have these type looking knives up in Alaska, similar styling anyway, and mercy goodness, guys, it's a beautiful, beautiful blade. Use that for all sorts of stuff, man. You can use that for dicing up the onions in the kitchen to probably skinning an animal. You can get up and under that and use that for skinning just about, I'd say. Very nicely put together, and that's a $39.99 value. Alright, now next up, we've got a Lord and Field wood carving tool set, and that's a $24.99 value. Here's the box. Oh, I'm sorry. Messed up. Here's the bag. And it's got a hook knife, a chip knife, and a slot knife. Alright. There you go. There's the woodworking knives. I know some friends that do woodworking, probably pass these along to them. That's a $24.99 value, and you can use that for making awesome stuff, just like that cup right there, things like that. I'm not much of an artisan when it comes to that. I'm an electrician, guys, but there's some people that's got some mad talent when you give them the right tools. Alright, next up we got the Pro Box. The return value this month, I forgot on the box, is the basics $59.84. The advanced is $124.82, and now we're up to the Pro Box. The repay on it is $179.81 is the value. And here is the Old Army axe. That's what it says, Old Army. Let's get the safety cover off here. That's what fun is, safety covers. I want to chop things. Yeah, it's sharp, guys. It's ready to roll. She is ready to roll. It's thick too. I mean, that is thick. Feels good. Real good. This can go up on my homestead land. Beautiful piece of equipment right there. That is a $54.99 value. I love the oil, that oil looking finish on it too. Alright, oh, and another thing, let's put this in the sling now. I wanted to do that earlier, but I wanted to wait till we got to it. There you go. There it is in the canvas. Let's see, good sling. It's very nice. And we'll try the sling out too while we're at it here. I'm so glad to see the sun again. Actually. There you go, guys. Alright, now, lastly, we have for the Pro Plus this month, it is a $299.80 return. We have the Lord Plus Field Frontiersman Survival Knife, 1095 carbon steel modified Scandi grind, bow drill, divot, arrowheads, and leather sheath is $119.99 value on this blade. So let's take a look at her, shall we? Fire starter tool. Very nice sheath. Today is a good day to go fly a kite. Alright. Oh man. Very nice. Very, very nice. Just look how thick the tang is on that. It's full tang. It's a full length. Oh man, guys, I tell you what, there's some sharp knives this month in the box. I usually got something chop up, but I'm not going to do that today because of the wind blowing everything away. But it's a beautiful put together blade. And then we've got, like I said, the fire start ferro rod. Got all sorts of goodies with this knife. The sheath's well put together, thick leather too. It's a nice piece of equipment. So guys, that's got the box for this month. Really, really nice homesteading box. I mean, everything from fire starting, getting you some wood to start the fire with, to food prep, to carving, to growing crops. It's a little bit of everything across the gamut. So really nice box. If you haven't checked out Battlbox, make sure to check them out. Battlbox, links in the video description below. And as always, till we see you again here, Seven Trumpets Prepper channel. Guys, enjoy this spring. Have a most blessed day. Yahushua.